Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you guys already know, but from the title, we are doing another satisfying fidgets. And this is part 2. So guys, we have some new fidgets. I'm not going to be showing them to you. We're just going to let's just get back into the video, okay? Okay, so first we have this. Another piece. And now. Okay, well, thank you for wasting your time, kind of. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you share this to your friends so they can watch this too. And it would be good to watch before bed because it kind of calms you down. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!